Here's my two babies. What's your name?
Willa.
And how old are you?
Willa and girl.
How old are you, sweetie?
I'm old and half.
2.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, and who is this next to you?
Bodie.
Yeah. And how old is he?
He's 2.
No, he's 4 weeks old.
Yeah. And this is gonna say.
What? That's just what you're going to say? Lay down. Tell me what it's like to have a baby brother.
It's good.
Yeah? Is it fun?
Yeah.
Do you get in trouble a lot?
Yeah.
For what?
For the hitting somebody.
For hitting somebody? Do you get in trouble for being in Bodie's face too much?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does he need a little space sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think he loves you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what are you going to do this summer?
I'm going to preschool. I don't wear diapers out there.
You think you're going to go to preschool and not wear diapers?
No.
That's a couple years away,
I
Peach.
wear pull-ups.
You'll wear pull-ups there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to. I'm doing wear underwear at Kinsey school.
At Kinsey school?
No.
Yeah. Well, when you're in kindergarten, then you'll wear underwear, won't you?
Kindergarten.
Yeah. But like, tell me about your summer. Have you had fun? Have we been swimming a lot? Have you helped me water the flowers every day? Hey, off of him. Lay down. Tell me some things. Have you seen lots of your grandparents this summer? Lots of Grandpa and Grandma Linda and John?
Well, let's go. What's going to be here?
Well, they were here last weekend. Should we go see them sometime?
Yeah. Where's coming to see us?
Yeah. And
Brian?
No, nobody's coming this weekend. And have you seen lots of Sadie and Ben and Blakers and June?
It's Jules' birthday party.
Yeah, we had a birthday party. And we're going to have a birthday party for Sadie soon. Will that be fun? And we're going to play on a water blob.
Here's a water blob.
It's like a big pool, but you don't get wet. You just walk on this water blob. It'll be fun.
I won't fall.
No, you won't fall. That'll be fun.
Boogie.
Is that your brother?
Boogie.
Yeah, you love him, don't you?
Yeah.
You love him maybe a little too much. So Willa, at 2.5, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Yeah, and what's your favorite animal?
Giraffe monkeys.
Giraffe monkeys? What's your favorite food?
Bananas.
Bananas?
Yeah.
You just ate a lot of eggs. Do you like eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you like to go for walks in our new big stroller?
Yeah.
And what do we do on walks?
We see a bunny.
Yeah.
We see a bunny outside.
Do we go to the field and do we pick you a pretty flower to carry?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he doesn't need it. He's happy. He doesn't need it. He's happy. Oh, my dear.
Go.
You're very attentive to that brother, aren't you? Please don't smother him. Okay, before I turn this off, I need you to sing me your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, U, S, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Now I want you to sing with me.
Beautiful.
Now you can turn it
Okay.
off.
Okay, say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Bye, Bodie. Bye, Willa.